Saturn. Saturn.
Come
here.
Look.
Look. Saturn, look. As soon as I turn on the camera, she's like, never mind.
Hey, no.
Let's see if she'll do it. Hey, move,
Saturn.
Thaddeus. If you'd move out of the way, maybe we could get her to do it.
Saturn.
Oh, she got it.
Are you doing a video?
Ready. Saturn, what is it?
This is funny.
Saturn, you're silly.
She's just looking at something. So funny.